thanks for clicking on my video. This is going to be a food review video. I am currently at Club Sandwich, but in the evening. So you're saying, why are you coming here for a sandwich? It's not even going to be open. I'm going to let you into a little secret. Recently been messaged by Leon's Kitchen to come and try some of their Jamaican food. I've never had it before, so when I got offered to come have a visit, check them out, see what it's all about, and obviously taste it for the first time, how could I say no? You know, it's a great opportunity. So like I say, we're at Club Sandwich, but the weekends it has been used as a pop-up kitchen for Leon's. So let's go in and check it out. My order is ready.
So you got one more. I'll give you two more to do.
So the great people at Leon's Kitchen have allowed us to pinch a table and try it here. Ta-da! Look at this for a spread. I just wish on the camera you could smell this. Enough talking, let's delve in. I've got my tools, let's see what we've got. We've got some homemade coleslaw here. This is a coleslaw with a bit of a twang to it. So, it's got pineapple in it. Coleslaw with pineapple, never had that before, so yeah, let's give it a go. It's got such a lovely crunch to it, flavour. Anyway, next we've got some dumplings.
Yeah, shut up.
Sorry, but Leon's trying to put me off. Yeah. So I've explained to him I'm a bit of a fatty eater, and he's like, have you tried it yet? Have you tried it yet? I'm like, yeah, I'm enjoying it, look, honestly. So anyway, well, that's really nice. This is brown chicken stew, and got a nice big piece of chicken here, vegetables in there. I'm just gonna have a go at the veg. So next is the one I've been really looking forward to, curried goat. Smells really good. Oh, it just melts in your mouth. It's just like so flavourful as well. It's really nice. I really like this. I might have to ask for the recipe. I don't think he'll give it me. No, he's not going to give it me. Oh, yeah. I could definitely recommend all of these on the menu. You know, I'm going to turn the camera off for a minute because I'm going to enjoy some of this food for a bit. So all the food's gone. Absolutely loved it. I thought I'd finished eating because I'm quite full. You've seen how much food there were, and Leon gave me a doggy bag. So apparently there's a patty in here, a beef patty. And here it is. I'm going to have to let my camera lady have a bit before I eat it all, because that's really good. That's really good. In the description we'll put some links for Leon's Kitchen. Check it out. They've got a great Facebook page, and keep an eye out for events, what they're doing. They're doing some local ones in Weston. So keep your eyes open and get down there and get some food tries. So yeah, thanks very much guys. Bye.